The Windy Hill Estate, prime Ooltewah, Tennessee location, gated privacy, breathtaking views, heavenly views, a rare find to say the least, endless southeastern views of the horizons and/or southwestern views, Lookout Mountain and city lights, 11 acres at the top of White Oak Mountain at the end of a cul-de-sac street. This luxurious estate features elegance and comfort, built like a fortress. Quality custom built featuring the finest craftsmanship of stone throughout the estate, inside and outside. Main house consists of 8,800 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths. Luxurious master suite and luxurious master bath with his and hers walk-in closets all on the main level. Soaring high ceilings throughout. Beautiful and/or elegant marble staircase, thereby showcasing a grand chandelier. Elegant 2-story foyer. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more stunning luxury real estate videos. Stay tuned for the next dream home.